In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved items on Facebook. Alright, so I'm here on my screen and I'm going to start by opening up Facebook. Just going to launch it like I normally would. And once it loads in, I'm on my main feed where all the posts are showing up. Now from here, I'm going to look over to the left side of the screen and click on Saved. So I'll just tap on that and it takes me into a section where Facebook stores everything I've saved over time, like posts, videos, links, anything like that. Once that's done, I can now see all the items I've saved. It's basically a full list, and I can scroll through it depending on what I want to remove. At this point, I'm going to select one of the items, so I'll just click on a saved post here, and it opens it up so I can manage it. Now I'm going to look for the three-dot icon on that item, so I'll just click on those three dots, and it opens up a small menu with a few options. Once that menu appears, I'm going to click on Unsave. This is the option that removes the item from my saved list. And just like that, the item is no longer saved. It gets removed immediately from the saved section, so it won't show up in that list anymore. Now I'll just go through it again naturally as I'm doing it. Open Facebook, click Saved on the left side, view all saved items, select an item, tap the three dots, and then click Unsave. Once that's done, your saved item is deleted from your list and your save section is now updated without it. So yeah, that's basically how you clean up saved items on Facebook, and you can repeat the same process anytime you want to remove more.